Gale Courses is a free online service provided by the Danville Public Library. With Gale Courses, you can take instructor-led classes online from the comfort of your own home. To sign up for a Gale course, you will need a library card with the Danville Public Library as well as a valid email address. At the end of this demonstration, you will know how to search for and sign up for a Gale course. To begin, you will start with the Danville Public Library's website. Navigate to the left side of your screen to the Catalogs, Databases, and E-Collections tab and click. Navigate to the E-Collections tab and click. Navigate down the page to the link that says Gale Courses and click. You are now at the Gale Courses homepage. To search for courses, you may enter a topic into the search bar. You may also navigate to the left side of your screen and choose a topic. For this demonstration, we will be signing up for a grant writing class. Click on Writing and Publishing. Under Writing and Publishing, you will see the topics for writing classes that Gale Courses offers. Click on Grant Writing. Gale Courses offers a variety of grant writing classes. For this demonstration, we will sign up for Writing Effective Grant Proposals. Click on Enroll Now. Choose a start date that you wish to begin your Gale course. For this demonstration, we will choose March 14, 2018. Click on Continue Enrollment. If you are new to Gale Courses, you will need to create an account. You can do that by typing in an email address and clicking Create New Account. On the next screen, you will choose a password, confirm your email address, and enter your contact information. Because we are a returning student, we will enter a valid email address. Click on Log into your account. We will now enter our library card number. As you can see, your contact information will be on the left side of the screen. Click on Use Library Card. You are now enrolled for the class. You will receive an email confirmation that contains information about your enrollment. On March 14th, you can enter your classroom and begin taking your Gale course.